Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix iPhone 14 Pro Max speaker crackling issue. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So to fix this issue, first of all, remove your iPhone case. If you have installed any case that is covering the speaker's grill, then remove that case, and after that open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and click on general. Then in general, click on software update, and from here check if your iPhone is updated to latest iOS version or not. So if your iPhone is not updated to latest iOS version, then update your iPhone, and after updating your problem will be fixed. But if it doesn't fix your problem, then open settings again, scroll down and click on general, and now scroll down and click on transfer or reset iPhone. Now here click on reset and then click on reset all settings. Now here enter your lock screen passcode, and after that enter the screen time passcode. Now here again click on reset all settings to confirm. So when you click on reset all settings, it will reset all your iPhone settings, but it will not delete any data from your iPhone. So I hope this will fix your problem. But if you are still facing the problem, then the last solution is press and hold the power button and volume down button and restart your mobile. Now swipe this icon to right side to power off your iPhone, and after that restart your iPhone. So I hope it will fix your problem. Thanks for watching the video.